Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about what is machine learning, what are the types of machine learning, and some of the applications of machine learning. So without wasting our time, let's get into it and explore these topics. So for defining what is machine learning, I would like to take you on the picture or a diagram that I prepared for you all. So here is the picture that, as the term indicates, machines that learns from the data can be structured or unstructured data. You can find the definition of a structured and unstructured data in the notes and given in the description below. That is the notes of section number 1. And that machines that learns from the data and make intelligent predictions based on what it has learned. And we can think of it as a machine learning. And this all small parts include a definition of machine learning. Now let's come back and define what a machine learning is. So we can define machine learning as machine learning uses algorithms to analyze data and make intelligent predictions based on what it has learned without being explicitly programmed. So we have defined that machine learning that uses algorithms to analyze the data and make intelligent predictions based on what it has learned from the data. The data can be structured or unstructured without being explicitly programmed. And I think that you get intuition about what is machine learning. Now let us see what machine learning can do. I have listed down 2 applications of machine learning, as there are many applications of machine learning, but I have listed down 2 applications. The first application is self-driving cars. Self-driving cars is gaining popularity in machine learning, and machine learning also contributes to the self-driving cars. And the second but not the least is that image recognition. Machine learning also helps in image recognition, in case you will see in companies that uses face as a pass instead of this pass or that. Okay, and there are a lot of more applications that you can see in machine learning. You can do the Google and you can find the applications of machine learning. Now, primarily, there are 3 types of machine learning. The first type is supervised learning, second one is unsupervised learning, and the third one is reinforcement learning. And these 3 types of machine learning are very common in machine learning, so that's why there are primarily 3 types of machine learning. Now, in the next video, I will elaborate each and every learning into a definition or approach or algorithms. There are a lot of factors that we'll study in the next video. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you got intuition about what is machine learning, what are the types of machine learning, and what are some applications of machine learning. So by now, thank you for seeing this video. Meet you in the next video.